Here I have XGODY X15, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer files from internal storage to SD card on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open File Manager. Okay. So let's go to the internal storage. So to transfer something we have to find some files, so let's go to pictures, screenshots, and transfer, for example, this screenshot. Okay, let's transfer them all. Then you have to select if you want to share. Okay, so you have to tap on this icon to copy them. Then go to folder where you want to copy them. So for example, let's go to the SD card and copy them here by tapping on the paste icon. And as you can see, now I have these screenshots not only on my in my internal storage, but also in my SD card. Here they are. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.